possible then?
It's quite interesting because I had one client whose parents helped them get into a property. And now he's got maybe 2 million of equity in there, but he can't access it because he's running his own business and the business isn't cash flow positive yet. And therefore he's not actually generating enough income to live his life, right? So here he's got this huge asset which he can't use because he's got this whole preconceived idea that his parents won't let him use it because they helped him get into it, and he's not living his full life. So he's 35, he's spending hardly anything, but he's got this huge asset that he's not using. Now it's not me to tell him what his life should be, but I showed him a few different scenarios. And one of the scenarios was, well, what if you sell this asset? What would that mean? And if he sold that asset, he would generate significantly more money, even if it wasn't a term deposit compared to what it's currently getting. And he would be able to live life, and he could use that to help his business grow, part of it, and also invest some or use it for a smaller place. But it really freed up the options for him that he didn't know were possible before. And and he hasn't explored these options because he's just got this idea from his parents that, look, you hold on to this property, you keep it forever, and you don't touch it. Really, you need to explore your options and at least know what they are to see if there is a different pathway.